Hi, welcome to my channel, where learning meets excitement. The world is filled with fascinating microorganisms, some of which can pose a threat to human health. One such microorganism is Neagleria, a genus of amoebae that includes a notorious species known as Neagleria fowleri. Our today's video is about viral Naegleria fowleri. Oh, wait a minute, I have spent hours crafting this video for your health safety. Would you give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like and comment? Naegleria amoebae are unicellular organisms that can be found in various freshwater environments such as lakes, hot springs, and swimming pools. Naegleria fowleri infections occur when water containing the amoeba enters the body through the nose. It's important to note that the infection does not occur through drinking contaminated water or through skin contact. The infection caused by Naegleria fowleri is known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, or PAM. It is a rare but severe infection that affects the brain and spinal cord. Initial symptoms may resemble those of bacterial meningitis and include severe headache, fever, nausea, vomiting, and a stiff neck. As the infection progresses, it can lead to seizures, hallucinations, coma, and ultimately, death. Here are some essential preventive measures: avoid swimming or engaging in water-related activities in warm freshwater bodies. Use nose clips. Make sure that public water systems and private wells are adequately chlorinated. While using water, boil it first or use distilled or sterile water. Initiate awareness campaigns. By following preventive measures and staying informed, we can reduce the risk of infection and enjoy our water-related activities safely.